This Chinese beef recipe is one of those comfort meals that is uncomplicated but immensely satisfying. Whether you're a slow cooker veteran or just pulling it out from the back of your cupboard, this is a recipe you'll want to have in your repertoire. Simple ingredients, a few hours in the slow cooker, and the result is a dish that's healthy, flavoursome, and sure to be a hit.
Hey, I'm nutritionist Scott Bapty, and welcome to my Food for Fitness kitchen. In fitness circles, we seem to love the humble chicken breast. It's lean, it's protein rich, and pretty much everyone seems to like them. But they can sometimes be a bit dull. But not this recipe, friends. We'll coat the chicken in a lovely crunchy crumb. We zap it in the air fryer, which keeps it crispy on the outside, but lovely and juicy in the middle. And then we smother the whole thing in this intense, delicious glaze. Legitimately, this could be the best chicken that you've cooked in a long time, and this is how you do it.
Dunk your chicken breast in the egg and then coat it in the breadcrumbs and then pop it onto your air fryer rack or in the basket or a wire rack if you're cooking in the oven. I cook these in the air fryer. I think it's the quickest way to do it, and it keeps them really crispy on the outside and juicy in the middle. For that, it's about 15 to 20 minutes at 200, or if you're doing it in the oven, about 20 to 25 minutes. To make the glaze, we're mixing up some Worcester sauce, some honey, a little bit of water, along with some chili flakes. You can leave these out if you don't like any heat at all. Half a teaspoon of mixed herbs, 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Mix all of that through, and then when there's about 5 minutes left on the timer for the chicken, you're going to heat a frying pan on a medium to high heat, and we're going to add that glaze to it, and we're going to reduce it down nice and quickly so it becomes nice and thick. At this point, the video would also be fantastic if you could like the video. It really helps me out with the growth of the channel. It doesn't interrupt the video, and I would very much appreciate it. So now you can see the glaze is really nice and thick and syrupy. You're going to add that beautifully cooked chicken to the glaze, and then just make sure it's all mixed through. Coat the chicken breast in it a few times, just like turn it over, and like you can see, here we go. And then from there, all you're going to do is just to plate it up. I mean, how good do they look at this stage? Oh, it's honestly the best chicken breast ever. So then for plating it up, I just serve it, and then I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice over the top of it and garnish with some fresh parsley, and then all you need to do is get stuck in.
So that is the outrageously delicious, is that a real word? Zingy Crispy Glazed Chicken. I think once you make this, you'll absolutely love it, and it'll probably become a regular in your meal prep routine. I'm off to go and eat some, but before that, make sure to click subscribe because I'm posting high protein recipes at least twice a week, and if you subscribe, you'll get notified as soon as a new one goes live, so you can give it a try, and hopefully you'll enjoy it. Also, drop a comment below, let me know what you think of this recipe once you've made it, and that's it. Thanks again for watching. I'll speak to you later.